Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online class. Listen children, now we are going to learn about Roman numbers. What is that? Roman numbers. Already you know how do you write in the 1, 2, 3, 4 or like that Roman numbers. Already you know very well. Now you above 10 you have to learn in this year. You recall children, how do you write in the 1? How do you write the 1 in the Roman numbers? Listen, you heard to Roman numbers. How do you write? How to write Roman 1? This is. Write the Roman number 1. Then how do you write in the 2? 2. How do you write in the 3? Listen. How do you write in the Roman number 1? 2. Then how do you write 3? 3 ones, right? 4. Then 5. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is already you know very well. How do you write in the Roman numbers 1 to 10? Now you move on to listen. After 10, how do you write? You want to learn in this year. Listen, our numbers are writing what is the name as Indo-Arabic numerals. What is that? Indo-Arabic numerals. That is 1, 2. You have to write in the normal 1, 2, 3. That you called as a Indo-Arabic numerals. In these are the Roman numerals. Are you okay, children? Roman number system does not have a zero. There is no zero in the Roman numerals. Starting 1 only you have to Roman numbers having starting from 1 onwards. There is no zero in the Roman numerals. Are you okay, children? Already 1 you know, 5 you know, 10 you know. The L denoted as a Indo-Arabic numbers 50. You are writing in the 50 in the Roman number the alphabet L, capital L, alphabet capital L. Then 100 in your Roman numerals C, Roman numerals capital C. Then in the Arabic number 500 in Roman numerals capital D, capital D. In 1000 capital M. So this is remember in your mind, okay. Now rules for writing the numerals. So Roman numerals you want to writing means you have to follow some rules here. Rules 1. What is the rules 1 here? Repetition of numerals means addition. I mean what? You have to repeat it on Roman numerals. You have to repeat it 1, 2 times, 3 times mean that you means addition. That means addition. While this is what symbol is this? One symbol. Roman number 1, Roman number 10. C for what is this? C for what? Look at the table. C for 100. C for 100 and M. M for what? 1000. Can be repeated. These Roman numbers only can be repeated repeatedly. V for what? 5. L for 50 and D for 500 cannot be repeated. These Roman numerals cannot be repeated. What are the Roman numbers cannot be repeated? 5, 50, 500. These are not repeated. But 1, 10, what is the 100, 1000? These are all repeated. Okay. Now, no numeral can be repeated more than 3 times. Any numerals only 3 times only repeated. Okay. No more than 3 times. Listen children. Here listen 1. 1 how many times repeated? 3 times repeated. So this Roman number is called as a 3. Okay. 1 repeated 3 times. This Roman number is called as a 3. Listen. Then next you look at this. This is what is this? 10. One more 10. So 10 plus 10 what? 20. 10 plus 10, 20. Listen. Here 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 10 plus 10, 20. The C is what? 100. So 100 plus C, one more C, 100, one more C, 100. Total of 300. So are you get 300? Are you okay, children? So Roman numerals 1, 10 and 100, 1000. These are all only repeatedly. Then 5, 50, 500. This is not repeated. Roman numerals only can be repeated more than 3 times only. Okay. Then move on to the next rule. A smaller numeral written to the right of the numeral of greater value means addition. For example, 5 is a greater value. 1 is the smaller value. So 5 after 1 means you add. 5 plus 1 only you add means 6. Another one you add means 7. Are you okay, children? This is greater value. 5 is a greater value. After greater value, in any smaller value mean you add. Okay, so 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7. Are you okay? Then move on to the next. Listen, this is for 10. X symbol for 10. V for 5. So 10 is the greater number. After greater number, you have to, in a smaller number, you have to add this one 10, this one 10. 10 plus 10 what? 20. 20, this is what? 5. 20 plus 5, 25. Are you okay, children? This is writing the way of 25. Then look at here. L is 50, greater number. After that smaller numerals mean you have to add. 50 plus 1x mean what? 10. 50 plus 10, 60. 60, one more 10 here. 60 plus 10, 70. Are you okay? Then move on to the next. C for what? 100. C for 100. After the smaller number, smaller numerals, you want to add 10, 100 plus 10, 110. One more 10 is there, so 120. Are you okay? Now, move on to the next rule. Listen the rule. A smaller numeral written to the left. Smaller numeral written to the left of a numeral of greater value means subtraction from the natural placed after it. Listen, 5, V is for 5. 5 before 1. Before you have to, left hand side you have to write 1. So 5 minus 1 was 4. 5 minus 1 you get 4. Are you understood, children? After 5 you get 1 means 6. In 5 before 1 means you have to subtract 5 minus 1, 4. Are you okay? Then move on to the next. Here what? 10 symbol. 10 before left hand side only you have to put 1. So 10 minus 1 you get 9. 10 minus 1 you get 9. Are you okay? Here L is 50. 50 L before 1 left hand side is a smaller value. So 50 minus 10 you get 40. Then here listen, C is the 100. 100 left hand side as a 10. 10 is a smaller than the 100. So 100 minus 10 you get 90. 100 minus 10 you get 90. Then move on to the next rows. When a smaller numeral is placed between two numerals of a greater value, it is subtracted from the numeral placed after 8. Listen. 10. Both are 10. In between what? 1. Both are 10. You between 1. So, you add. This is what? 10. This is 1, 10, 20. 20 minus 1 what? 19. 20 minus 1, 19. So, you add the greater value. In middle smaller value, you have to subtract. Are you okay, children? Now, this is what? 10 plus 10, 20. Plus this one what? 5, 25 minus this one 24. Or another way, already you know this is 4. So 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 4, 24. Okay. The two way of you read the numbers in the numerator numbers. This is 50. Already you know. In this Roman numbers are 90. So 50 plus 9, 59. This is already you know 9. So 50 plus 9, 59. Are you okay? Then listen, C for what? 100. X for 10. This is what you do? 4. So 100, 10 plus 4. 114. Are you okay, children? Now move on to the next rules. For subtraction in addition to rules 3 and 4, there are a few more conditions. 2 and 3, 3 and 4 rules, you have a more conditions. What are the conditions? For 1, Roman number 1 can only be subtracted from 5 and 10. 5 and 10 only, 1 can be only subtracted from 5 and 10. Then x can only be subtracted from, what is that? L for what? 50, 100. L for 50, C for 100. The x 10 symbol can be subtracted only from L and C. Here C can only be subtracted from D and M. D for 500, M for 1000. So 500,000. C only can be subtracted from D and M. V, L and D are never subtracted. For 5, Roman number 5, Roman number 50 and Roman number 500 never been subtracted. Are you okay, children? Now come to the exercise. Listen, convert to Roman numerals. Convert to Roman numerals. Listen, 64. How do you write 64? First you write 50. 50 for what? L. 50 L. All the one remember this column only. Okay. All the one remember this. X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500, M for 1000. This is very remember in your mind. Okay. Now L for 50. I put one X symbol. 50 plus 10 what? 60. Then what about next? 4. How do you write in the Roman number 4? Already you know very well 4. So this is 50 plus 10 60 plus 4 64. Then move on to the 19. How do you write 19? This is 10. Then 9. How do you know write in the 9? This is the Roman number 9. So this is 10. This is 9. 10 plus 9 19. Are you okay? Then 97. How do you write in the 97? What is in the 100? C. 100 minus 10 is the 90. So 100 minus 10 means X, C. 100 minus 10. This is 90. Then you want to write 7. Already you know the Roman number 7. So this is 100. 100 minus 10. Before the left hand side you have a smaller Roman means you have to subtract. So 90. Already you know the Roman number 7. Okay children. Now move on to the next. 78. How do you write? 50, 60, 70. How do you write 8? 8 Roman number 1, 5, then 3, 1. This is the way of you have to write in the 78. Then move on. How do you write in the 100? Very easy. You have to write 100 capital letter C only. Then 55. How do you write in the 50? Capital letter L 50. 5, 1, V symbol is the 5. So this is 55. Are you okay? Now listen children. Convert to Indo-Arabic numerals. This is Roman numbers you have to given. You want to convert the Indo-Arabic numerals. How do you read this number? Always this is C for 100. In 100 before the 10 means you go read the 90. Then this is 1, 2, 3. So 93. Are you okay? The same. Here 50. in before one 10 symbol mean 40. 50 minus this 10, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48. So you have to write 48. Then the same, this is 50. 50 before the 10 means you have to subtract. 50 minus 10, 40 plus this 5, 45. Then move on to the next. How many x's here? This is 110, 20, 30 plus 1 what? 31. 31. Then move on to the next. Read this number. This is 50 plus this 110 what? 60, 70, 80. This is what? Already you know 9. 89. This is the Hindu-Arabic numerals. You have to write the, convert to the Hindu-Arabic numerals. The last one, already I told you no. This is for 100. 100 before 110 means this is 90. 100 minus this 10, 90 plus this what? 5. This is 1, 6. 96. What do you write? 96. Are you able to understand, children? In a greater value, in a left hand side, a smaller numerals mean you have to subtract. In a greater value, after the smaller numerals mean you have to add. This is the concept of writing the Roman numerals, children. Okay, thank you. See you tomorrow.